Hi there, excuse me, and welcome back. So I finished the two journals that I've been working on with the winter botanicals. So I've made these lovely pouches, and I got this idea from the lovely Dee at Dee's Crafty Place. These are from bags when Amazon deliver your food shopping. So in the UK they deliver from Morrison's, and they come in these really big bags, and it's lovely brown paper. So I've made this pouch, and I've stamped it with my Tim Holtz stamps, zigzagged all the way around. I've put some lovely ribbon on here and sewed it and then these two lovely snippets there, and then I've stamped the back, and then we've got some ribbon there, and I've just put this lovely antique coloured clip on just to keep it down. And this one, so we've got the ribbon there, and then two cluster things, and then there. This feels so nice, this ribbon. So that's those. So let's have a look. I ended up taking some of the pages out, and I'm going to have to make some more journals, because when I put them in, I'd made the cover, and then when I put the papers in, it was massive. So yeah, I didn't want it to be massive. So let's have a look at this. I think it looks so lovely. I'm really happy with it. It's the first material cover I've ever done. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I use this beautiful green material, put corners on it front and back, and this is a piece from Stamperia, and I've just put a little place on it, and you can put your own word on. Put some lace, some crocheted lace down here, and we've got the seam binding running through the back, and this is tea stained seam binding. We've got a little ball pin here with a nice little owl on and then we've got a reindeer and an acorn at the bottom. So that's the back. Let's show you what else is in there. So I've made this small little notepad. So I've just got some papers in. I think there's 20 sides in there. So that's that. And then this material tag, another Stamperia piece. Some lovely lace here and a bow, and some seam binding, which I dyed with the Tim Holtz stains, and same with the bow. And you flip it up, and it's a pad. Again, 20 sides in that one. And then we've got an envelope what's made with the piano paper, and in here there's lots of small elements. There must be, I don't know, 20, 30 little pieces in there. So they go in there. It's been sewn around, and I have stenciled it with Tim Holtz stencil. And I've just put a ticket on there. So that's that piece. And then this beautiful envelope with a green ruffle with some linen fabric. I love this green. I wish I could remember if somebody sent it me or where I bought it from. It's so beautiful. So we've got an envelope what's got pieces from the kit. That's the decoupage tag that I did. Some pieces from Lorna's kit at Tailor Made Journals. So they're in there. So lots of stuff to play with. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that green against these ferns, fir trees and cones. That's what I'm trying to say. So they come in the pouch. Then we shall open this up. And when you open it, there's this is a vellum envelope which I've just opened the side up. I've stenciled over it with the Tim Holtz stencil, and I've put one of the William Morris postcards in. So that goes there, and I thought the red matches the stamp up here. So that's that, and then this is the front, and we've got this lovely what do we call it? I don't know. This lovely snippet roll type thing, what we did make in a video. And this is the Edith Holden piece from the CD-ROM that I have. So this is, I've got a paper clip, and you open it up, and it's a double pocket, some little bits of ephemera in, and some pine cones there. And then this holds, oh, I have to remember that once you take that out, it's so that holds this pocket down, and underneath the pocket is this postcard what's been stenciled, and we've got a stamp on. I've got some lovely tea staining with a lace imprint, and we've got this lovely winter vellum envelope, and a large tag from the kit, little pocket here, and then you open this up, and it's a massive writing space. So we also made this on video if you missed it. So just put that together, and we've got this paper clip, and we just pop that on the edge like so. Pop his tag back in, and those at the back. I really do like that, and like I say, I got that idea from Rita Jensen. So we've just got a little piece of embellishment from the kit there, sticker there, and then I've done stenciling on the writing pages. We've got the winter botanical type there, and then these are music notes. These are both new stencils. It was the first time that I used them. Then we've got the paper bag pockets. Again, there was a video, and this is an Edith Holden image, and I've just put a label on from the kit, and that's been sewn around. Got a little bit of collage here, and then one of the big circles from the kit. Really like these big circles that Nanine did. And got another nice piece of ephemera there, and a bit of I want to say stenciling, bit of collage at the back. And then these are the damask bags, which I do have in my Etsy shop. Another sticker there, and two more little thing there, two more sheets of tea stain paper with the stenciling on. We've got as middle, which these are decoupage tags, what I did on video. Love those napkins. And another one, oh, it's really stuck that. I might have to properly glue those down actually. Yeah, I'll do that after so they don't stick up. So that's the other one. And then we've got these CD envelopes here, and I've backed that with some music paper, and there's some stenciling, and then there's stenciling and stamping around it. And then we've got that die cut there, same on this side. I did some splashy things in the background. That was fun. So again, we've got two more pages, little embellishment. We've got the other side of that paper bag. That's another Edith Holden. But yeah, these, I think these circles are 2.5 inches, or was they 3.5? I think they're 2.5. Another piece from the kit with some collage. Another two writing spaces. That's a little vellum piece, and it's got the December calendar on it. Another little piece there, and then with a pocket with a piece from the kit. That's from the freebie kit, which you can get off my Buy Me a Coffee. I've just put a label on there and a poinsettia there. And then the other side of this flips out, and we've got this, which is stuck. Oh dear, it's properly stuck. That's it. Okay, so that folds out, so you've got the whole piece of paper to write on. It just folds in like so, and then that's heavy enough to just keep it down. And we've got some die cuts here. I love this piece on here. I'm really liking the green on the music paper, and I know a lot of you said in the comments how nice it looked. And then in the back I've got another one of those envelopes with, can't get it out, with William Morris postcard. That's beautiful. I love that. And then again I've stenciled on the front. So there's 40 sides in here, and then there's obviously 20 sides in both of the notepads. So I think it's a nice little bundle. When you see this video, I will actually be on the Santa train, so I won't be listing these on Etsy until Saturday. So that's that one. We'll just have a quick whiz through the next one, because they're you know, virtually the same, just different images. I've shown you the pouch, haven't I? That's the front of this one. Do need to put a word in there, but I hadn't got a word that fit. So on this one we've got a poinsettia on the front, same again, same bits and bobs, all stuff that was left over from the kit. Well, several of Nanine's kits. So that's that one. And again, this one's exactly the same. I used the same image. So that's that one. And the paper's very, very similar on this one. Just a different book page. With stock. Oh yeah, there was quite a big pocket in there. Oh, look at Santa. There's some more bits in there, like some tags and things. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get them back in. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. So on the front of this one, we've got a little squirrel. And again, we've got a stag. Well, I suppose it's a deer and an acorn. And I think this is a bullfinch. I've got the metal corners on, front and back, and another Edith Holden, a different you know, there, and we've got a different postcard in here. There's still the William Morris ones, so that is that one. I wanted the red ones at the front to go with the stamp. And got this one. So this one's like the opposite way round to the other one. That's that one. And got this little pocket in there. Just put a label onto the pocket. And a bit of holly there. Got a sticker there. And a nice flower. Then we've got us 2 pages. That says one on here. Got holly on that side, and there's some berries on that side. Got a sticker on there. And we've got a stenciling on this tea stain paper. Got this lovely edging here. I did some flips, so I used that to cover over where I'd put the hinge, but I thought it like looked really nice. And just put some die cuts on there. This is the middle of this one, so we've got the two mini CD ones in this one. And they flip. And it's just got a little tuck at the back. So that's Edith Holden, and then the rest are from Nanny's kit. Lovely pancetta in that one. And again, little flip, tuck. It's a tuck, not a flip. And then on that side, and we've got us two stenciled little label there. That's another one of those Vellum calendar things. So that's January, February. Got this beautiful stag there. That's an image from Edith Holden book. Beautiful image there. Got us two papers, and then a lined one, and then this is the one on the back of this one what folds out. Again, we've got a postcard and that Vellum envelope, paper clip, and little one down there. And then I'll have to undo it. And this one flips out, and we've got the little pocket there. So I don't think I've done it over the pocket, not over the page. Come on. There we go. So that's that one. And then at the back, got another beautiful green one. And that's the one at the back. Really like that one too. So that is those. I've done lots of sewing around things and what have you. So I've really enjoyed making them. It's been really nice doing the reds and the greens. Beautiful combination. And even though, you know, they're not Christmas, to me, it is very, very Christmassy. Yeah. I do love, you know, the poinsettias and pine cones and things like that. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for you know, if you watched any of the episodes me making the things, I really appreciate it. If you've missed some and you want to catch up, then it is in my winter playlist, which will be on the end screen. So that is it for now. I'm now going to film the start of the next project. So in a few hours that video will be up, and we shall have a look what we're going to be making next. And like I say, these won't be up on Etsy until the Saturday. If anybody you know, wants them before then, just get in touch. And thank you very much. I shall see you later on if you're interested in seeing what we're making next. So bye for now.